Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will paint a light silhouette of a horse. We started with the neck and now here the top of the head. The jaw will be about here and let's do the other side of the neck, going almost straight down. This drawing is going to be very simple, but it should deliver a nice effect. I hope. We draw the snout, which comes down from the forehead and it is a bit triangular. And let's intensify the light on this side, because this area is the one that will be catching the most illumination. The lips over here, which they should stick out just a little bit. And let's make the snout thinner, like so. And I erase with a kneaded eraser. Of course I am drawing with a white pastel on black paper. The complete list of materials is in the description below the video. And the idea is that the horse is being illuminated with a backlighting, and therefore we only should see the silhouette. We draw the ears, which are pointing up. Maybe they should be just a little bit longer. I erase the back of them since they are not getting as much light. Alright. Now let's define the shapes a little bit better with some roundness over here, and let's mark each lip like so. And I clean up the drawing with the eraser. Let's increase the light on this front side. Here at Fine Art Tips, sometimes I make more elaborated works of art, which sometimes may be a little bit difficult to duplicate. So I like combining those with some very simple sketches like this, but with nice effects that are easier to do. And let's draw some fog here, which we can soften with the hand. Please let me know in the comments if you would rather have more of the complicated tutorials or more of these simple ones, or if we should keep making a combination of both. I give it the last touches, cleaning up with the eraser and softening the fog, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.